I think as a student, if you want to become a car designer, at least in my case, it was not really something that my bachelor or the people in my bachelor would really motivate me to do, because it's quite a niche market. It's a small world and it's a little bit hard to get into. But I think if you really want it, then you just have to go for it and don't really care about if people tell you that it's not possible or that it's difficult. I mean, you can always try. And I was certainly not the biggest talent in my class, but I also made it in. And once you're in, then you will definitely grow really fast. I mean, sketching is really important, but that's not the only important thing. Also your creative thinking and you know, to be able to come up with a cool concept, with a good story for your project is I think, especially in the RCA, it's almost as important as the way you execute it. You know, the story has to be good, it has to be creative, it has to be new. And in the end, of course, what also is important is that it has to look cool, but both things are important. You have to find the right balance. I think the companies that look for designers are more looking for fresh ideas or like creative minds, and not necessarily for somebody who can sketch a cool car. It's obviously also part of the job, but they also want to see something that they didn't see before. Because otherwise they could just have the designers that they already have do it. They look for different perspectives on a subject, and they look for new ideas and new directions.